no. Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be putting Sarah's hair into a ponytail. So I believe you guys have seen Sarah before when her hair was shorter. So her hair has grown up a little bit, and so I'm going to be doing a ponytail for her today. So she has a wedding to attend. So the first thing I did was take out her twist, and then I went ahead and blow dried her hair a little bit. So I'm just parting her hair into small sections and then applying the Eco Styler gel because I want her hair to lay really flat. Like I said before, she's going to a wedding and you know, her hair has to look good. So at this point, I was asking Sarah where she wants her ponytail to be. So right now I've figured out where she wants the ponytail. So I'm just going to continue parting the hair and applying gel and then laying it down. That way her hair will lay flat. So Sarah was a bit concerned about the gel not drying down before the party, but I made her to understand that the Eco Styler gel dries down quickly because that is like the only gel that I use. It's not like I don't like other gel, but I just find this one a lot much easy for me to use, so I've been sticking to it for a while now, and I actually bought the biggest jar of this Eco Styler gel, and I made the olive one because this olive one doesn't leave any flake on my hair. So she was worried about the flakes as well, and I told her this one doesn't leave flakes on my hair. So you guys are going to see what I'm talking about at the end of this video. So I continue parting the hair in circle, applying the gel, and then I brush it together with the one that I already had in a bun. That way I can move over to the next. So that's basically all that I did to gel this hair down.
No.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
So after putting the hair up in a bun, I went ahead and used my Derma brush to smoothen it out. That way everything will lay smoothly.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number wanna control. So you really went for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is you riding with me or you really dirt? Them my girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
So guys, I'm going to lay down her baby hair. I wasn't so sure if Sarah was going to like the one I did at the back, but after everything she ended up loving it. So as you can see, I'll continue using my brush to lay down the hair just to make sure everything is laid flat before tying it down with a scarf. And after that, I'll just go ahead and do the baby hair at the front. And after doing the baby hair, I'm going to tie the hair down with a scarf. While I wait for it to dry, I'll do her makeup and I'll be back to finish up the main ponytail.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby tell me who's that? Look back, baby make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking, I don't think so.
So guys, we are done with the makeup, which took us about an hour to finish, and by the time we were done, her hair had already dried up like I promised Sarah, and she wasn't worried anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and use a pack of pre-stretched braiding hair to do the big box braid. So at this point, Giovanni was already tired of playing by himself and he was crying. So I had to put him on my back the African way using a wrapper, in case you guys were wondering what I had on my chest.
Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
We finna have a good time, you know. Like
So guys, I had to leave a small piece of hair behind. That's where I can coil it. So I used rubber band to secure it down, and I used the bendy roller to roll it.
Standard.
I started adding accessories to the hair while I wait for the hot water to boil, and as I was doing that, I realized the rubber band I used at the top of the hair was showing, so I had to wrap a piece of braiding hair to cover that up. And as I was wrapping the hair, I was spraying the got2b glue spray to hold down that braiding hair. And trust me guys, that spray holds down the braiding hair properly. It holds it down to the extent that it doesn't move, so you have nothing to worry about.
Back it up the way you bustin' at the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah.
At this point, the hot water was ready, so I went ahead and dipped the tip of the hair into the hot water, and I took out the bendy roller right immediately. So after that, I used another accessories to cover up the rubber band at the tip of the hair, because we don't want that to show. And like I said before, Sarah is going for an event. You want everything to look good. So guys, that's basically all I did for this hair tutorial. So if you find it helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Been searching all around, but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me, baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me, Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna press the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she